Alright, before I even start anything in this video, I just want to thank you guys for 300 subscribers. You guys are insane. I've hit this in a matter of like a couple months after I started making videos on this channel again. So yeah, thank you for that, and let's get on with the video. Biggest companies make the worst crap. So I bought this Oculus Rift, the original model, not the S, off my friend because they had already upgraded VR headsets, and I was like, hey, why don't I have a go at it? And they agreed, so now it's all mine. And I had a blast using it while I could, watching YouTube in VR, typing on Discord in VR. I had only used a VR headset once before, and that was when my buddy Purple Wizard brought his Quest 2 over, and when it was like brand new. Other than that, I have never done any VR stuff. And it's already dead. It stopped working. Now what's wrong with it? My computer isn't even detected as a VR headset anymore. It'll detect the sensors and the controllers just fine. I'll plug the HDMI into my graphics card, and then I'll plug in the USB, and as soon as I plug in the USB, Windows goes, yeah, nah, there's something wrong here. And as it turns out, I'm not the only one with this issue. Looking up this problem on Google, there are tons of people with the same issue. Then again, they all have the Rift S, but it's practically the same damn cable for these things. Nobody knows how to fix it, and it's just so annoying because it'll work great the first time you use it, then the next time you're greeted with sadness and disappointment. And the best part is, Oculus's reply for help does nothing. It was an animated video of some person plugged it into a computer and launching the Oculus app. Not even like a real person demonstrating how to fix the issue. Even the comments of the video were enough to tell me that this is just a pile of crap. Nobody is happy with how their stuff is breaking. At this point, I might as well just get the Quest 2.